Hello, hello. I'm Ashley Collier, the Mortgage Maven, and this is your daily market update for Friday, August 8th. We've got big changes at the Fed and we've got improvements in the spread. So let's first talk about the spread. The difference between the 30-year fixed rate and the 10-year Treasury yield is called the mortgage rate spread. Now, in 2023, that peaked to over 3.1%, but that has currently fallen down to 2.36%. Now, today, for instance, the 30-year mortgage-backed security has worsened by 8 basis points, and the 10-year Treasury is up 4 basis points to 4.28. So you add the 4.28 to the 2.36 and you've got 6.64. So that's what your 30-year fixed mortgage could look like today. Now there's other factors including credit and loan to value. But the hope is that with bank deregulation, stable coins, and rate cuts, that we could see the 10-year fall to a 3.9 and that we could continue to see that spread fall maybe to 2.25, which would put rates at 6 and then 8th, maybe hopefully by the end of this year, because there is talk about 2 or 3 rate cuts. Now let's talk about the Fed. So the big change today, there was an announcement made. Fed Chair Adriana Kugler is being replaced by Stephen Moran. He kind of is the mastermind behind the Mar-a-Lago Accord. And he is also pro rate cut. So that now makes 4 out of 12 Fed members pro rate cuts. And so we'll know in September on the 17th whether they're going to do that. The good news is we've seen gasoline fuel costs fall almost 10% over the last week. WTI is down now to 64 a barrel. And next week, we're going to get CPI, PPI, and retail sales. It's going to be a big week next week, so you'll definitely want to stay tuned. Have a great weekend, and then check in next time for the next daily market update.